Look up right now. There is a giant metal airplane with hundreds of people inside flying right over us. But it doesn't flap its wings. So how on earth does it stay up there? In just a few minutes, you are going to find out exactly how those flat metal wings trick the air into holding them up. To see how it works, we're going to shrink down and strap into our very own test jet to meet the 4 invisible forces of flight. Welcome to the testing facility. Here, we can blow air past a mounted plane to safely watch these invisible forces in action. Our mission today is simple but difficult. To successfully fly this jet, we have to balance a giant invisible tug-of-war happening in the air all around the plane. First up is thrust. This is the forward push that gets us moving, and it comes right from these massive engines. Think of thrust like a giant, super strong sneeze propelling the entire plane forward. Achoo! Feel that shaking? As we push forward, the air pushes back against the nose of our jet. That backward push is called drag. In this diagram, a green arrow for thrust pulls us forward, and a red arrow for drag pushes back, like wind against your hand out a car window. Now add gravity pulling the plane down toward the ground. We call this pull weight. So thrust fights drag to move us forward, but weight is pulling us down. If we don't find a fourth force to pull us up, we aren't going to fly very far. We need an upward pull, and the secret is all in the shape of the wing. See, airplane wings aren't perfectly flat like a piece of paper. We actually curve the top of them. In this diagram, watch the air particles. Air over the curved top rushes faster than the slow air underneath. This faster air creates low pressure, like a mini vacuum. The higher pressure underneath pushes the wing up toward that vacuum, creating our fourth force, lift. To hold up a huge plane, you need a huge wing for lift. A single wing on this Boeing 747 is about 211 feet long. For perspective, that one wing is nearly twice as long as the entire distance the Wright brothers flew on their very first flight. Speaking of early flights, why did the little airplane get sent to its room? Because it had a bad altitude. Here is how we win the tug-of-war. When engines push hard enough, thrust beats drag. And when we move fast enough, the wings make enough lift to beat weight. The plane takes to the sky. Mission control time. Let's see what you remember. What upward force keeps planes up? The answer, lift. Question 2, what pushes planes forward? The answer, thrust. You completely aced it. If you had fun flying with us today, smash that subscribe button to join our lab crew for more adventures. Let's lock this in. 1. Curved wings make air move faster over the top, which creates lift to pull the plane up. 2. Those massive engines give us thrust to push forward, beating drag and weight so we stay safe in the clouds. Next time you're riding in a car, carefully stick your hand flat out the window and tilt the front edge up just a little bit. You will instantly feel lift pushing your hand up and drag pushing it back. Now that you know how planes cruise through the sky, what happens when they fly right into morning fog? Why does the whole world turn into a giant fluffy cloud? Tap right here to find out.